This video is intended to assist in using the self-installer for S.M.A.R.T Online. Enter your username and password for S.M.A.R.T, then click Sign In. Upon signing in, the self-installer will display on the right-hand side of the screen. To start the self-installer, click on Start Self-Installer. The first step of the self-installer is to perform a compatibility check. S.M.A.R.T will validate if you have a supported browser as well as a supported operating system for the application. Provided you get a success in the compatibility checker, click Next to continue. After clicking Next, you are brought to the Device Manager downloading configuration page. To use scales and printers within S.M.A.R.T, the Device Manager is required to be installed on the PC. Click on Download Device Manager to start the download. You'll see in the top of your screen the download will be started. While it downloads, you can go ahead and click Next to continue. After clicking Next, you are brought to the Device Manager login page. There are several details on this page to aid in logging into the Device Manager. The most important step here is to ensure that this Device Manager login not detected turns into login detected. To log into the Device Manager, open up your system tray down by the clock. Find the icon for the Device Manager. Double-click the icon, and that will pull the login page for Device Manager up on your screen. Click Login with username and password. Enter your credentials that you use for S.M.A.R.T and click Login. Provided this bar goes green, the Device Manager will go away. The self-installer identifies that the login to the Device Manager has been successful. You are now able to click Next to choose your label printer. From the Label Printer column, select the printer and format you would like your label to print on and click Save Configuration. Navigating back into the self-installer, you can see our configuration is now saved. Follow the prompt to click Test Printer. The Test Print Successful box will display, and you can click Next to continue. Next, you are directed to the carrier settings to configure any USPS settings for your S.M.A.R.T Online tenant. By default, Library Mail and Media Mail are both unchecked and disabled. If you would like to agree to the terms and enable them, you are stating you are eligible to use these services. If you have no changes to make for your USPS carrier configuration, click Next to continue. Then, you are directed to the address book for S.M.A.R.T Online. The S.M.A.R.T Online address book allows for you to have up to 1,000 saved addresses in your system. You can click on New Address to add addresses, or click on Import to import addresses from a CSV file. Click Next to continue. Next, you are brought to the Accounts Manager section of S.M.A.R.T Online. S.M.A.R.T Online allows you to configure up to 10 accounts to track your expenditures. These could be for shipping items or mailing items, but you could have up to 10 different accounts. If you would like to create an account, click on New Account and follow the process to create an account. Select Next. The self-installer is now complete. You have been able to validate your system will run S.M.A.R.T, downloaded and installed the Device Manager, which allows you to use printers and scales, configured your USPS carrier, and viewed your address book and account setup area.